This video is to explain the data confirmation for Oceanside Unified School District for returning students. When you log into your parent portal, you'll notice that there's yellow up here and it says click here to confirm the information about your student. If you have multiple students in our district, you can click change students to change to any other students that you have in our district. So click there to start the confirmation process. So it'll have a step-by-step list on the left side. On the first item, family information, you'll need to answer a few questions. First, if there's anybody, parent guardian of the student that's active military forces. And then if there's any of these circumstances. And when you're finished answering those questions, confirm and continue. We'll take you to the next step, which is contacts. You can change any of the contacts by clicking the change. You can click through the different contacts by clicking on the above menu. And you can also add contacts by clicking the add. A few things to know about the contacts. First of all, you want to make sure that you have as much information as possible. For contact by phone from our parent link system, schools use this to convey information. The code right here, you want to select Parent Guardian 1 or 2 for the people who will receive telephone communications from schools and from the district. Restricted contact, you'd need documentation. Out-of-state contact, emergency contact, and physician contact are all optional. Once you've made any changes or updates to contact information for all the people on the contacts list, you can save, confirm, and save. And then you have medical history, so you can update or add any medical conditions or concerns that your student might have. You'd click Save, and then confirm and continue. Next we have documentation. It is expected that you download and read each of these documents before continuing on. These checkboxes are there for you to mark when you have actually read them. Once you've completed this part, confirm and continue. These are authorizations. You're going to need to answer yes or no to all of these questions before you can continue. Please read carefully. If you have any questions about any of these, please contact the school. So once you've completed all of these yes or no options, go ahead and click Save, and then confirm and continue. The final page is a submission page. Here it has directions to complete your re-registration or data confirmation. You want to make sure you print an emergency card and sign the emergency card and bring it to your school with any additional information that the school might need, such as residency. Finish and submit. Has another reminder of the things to do next. You click on Print New Emergency Card. Once this process is done, you can print the card, sign, and bring to the school site. Again, if there's any other students that you need to confirm, you can go on the Change Student selection and change to another student. And that completes the data confirmation process.